This is the technique you use when this is actually a decking work. In this case, we are going to avoid pre-electrical installation or laying of PVC pipes before the casting of the slab. Usually, we will go about it by laying our PVC pipes, that's our 20 millimeter PVC pipes, under the iron rods before the casting of the slab. But today we are using this technique. We are not going to do the pre-electrical installation or PVC pipe layouts, and then we are using this technique. That is, we are linking, we are fixing, or we are installing this PVC pipe. This is a 1.5 inch PVC pipe. Sometimes you can use 2 inches pipe for that purpose. And this is going to help us to avoid drilling through the beams. So we will just make sure that all the beams are well connected. PVC pipes are well connected throughout the beams. We have it here. We have one here. We have one here. There is one linking these beams here, or these 2 beams there. We have it here. We have it here. And then we're gonna have our distribution board here. This is going to serve as that's the ground floor. That is the power room, or where we're going to have our distribution boards there. So this PVC pipe linking between the ground floor and the first floor, and then this will be the PVC pipe. So we have a couple of them here. This is going to be where all the circuits to the various rooms or places here. This is where the PVC pipes will be laid through. So there's a link, or there's this PVC pipe in between the beams here. And then there's a simple technique. So in case you don't want to lay or go about laying PVC pipes on the under the steel work before the casting of the slab, this is what you can also use, or this how you can also go about it.